Mga kababayan, mga kaigsuunan nako dinhi sa isla sa Cebu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Madayaw maayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to each of you for joining us today to support the National Learning Camp. As we embark on the second year of its implementation, we are building upon last year's successful launch for grades 7 and 8 to expand this transformative program to include grades 1 to 3 and grades 7 to 10. The NLC is a critical initiative supporting the National Learning Recovery Program, part of the department's commitment to addressing the learning loss that was aggravated by the pandemic. It is part of our response to the low performance of our learners in the National Achievement Test and international large-scale assessments, such as the Program for International Student Assessment and the Southeast Asia Primary Learning Metrics, which underscored a pressing learning crisis that requires urgent action. Last year's NLC achieved significant success, reaching 938,341 learners in grades 7 and 8 through intervention, consolidation, and enhancement camps in 34,383 schools nationwide. I thank the 62,773 teachers who volunteered for grades 7 and 8 and the 166,263 teachers involved in other end of school year break activities. Results of assessments show that our combined efforts have made a dent towards the improvement of our learners' performance in math, science, and English. Building on these strengths, we opened the second year of NLC on July 1 with 2,183,327 learners in grades 1 to 3 and grades 7 to 10, and 185,759 learning camp volunteers nationwide. Each teacher volunteer and learner received teaching and learning materials in reading, English, mathematics, and science. Additionally, we allocated funds for orientations and daily meal expenses for both DepEds and non-DepEd volunteers. We have also engaged partners who provide fun and engaging activities to our learners, as well as services such as eye and dental checkups in select schools, among others. This end of school year break, the NLC will run from July 1 to 19. It features 3-week intensive instructional activities to bolster our learners' performance in reading, English, mathematics, and science, alongside collaborative expertise session to empower our teachers. Last year, the NLC spanned 5 weeks, but this year we have reduced it to 3 weeks due to the adjusted school calendar of school year 2024 to 2025, as classes resume on July 29, marking our return to the pre-pandemic schedule. I am optimistic that this program will continue to yield positive outcomes, improving the foundational literacy, numeracy, and 21st century skills crucial to our learners' future success. However, to continue making it work, we need to carry on the NLC with the support of the whole community. A whole-of-community approach that brings together parents, barangay officials, our local government units, partners, principals, and other education leaders, and parents is central to the National Learning Camp and is central to how we educate our children. the NLC espouses the Filipino bayanihan spirit. Gusto ko pong pasalamatan ang mga magulang na sumusuporta sa kanilang mga anak na sumali sa learning camp. Ang mga nagsikripisyo para magkaroon ng pagkakataon ang kanilang mga anak na matuto, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Maraming salamat din sa pakikiisa at tulong ng Parent Teachers Association, School Governing Councils, non-government organization at partners na palaging nakaagapay sa ating mga paaralan. Alam ko na ang mga nasa PTA, ang mga lokal na opisyal ay nagbabantay, nagluluto ng pagkain, nagbibigay ng transportasyon, ng mga gamit at marami pang iba. Hindi ko man kayo maharap ng isa-isa, ipinapaabot ko ang aking lubos na pasasalamat. Malaking tulong din ang pakikiisa ng Union of Local Authorities of the Philippines na nagpahayag ng suporta sa pamamagitan ng board resolution upang hikayatin ang lahat ng local government units na sumuporta sa Learning Recovery Program kung saan kabilang ang National Learning Camp. Maraming salamat sa ulap. Of course, I commend the efforts of our regional directors, superintendents, education supervisors, CLMD and CID chiefs, as well as our testing coordinators for ensuring that the National Learning Camp is run well in your respective areas. The huge rise in the learner participation in the 2024 Learner Camp is a product of your strong commitment to our Learning Recovery Program. I am aware of your hard work. I am sure that your hard work is rewarded when we see our learners improving and succeeding. To our dear school principals, you play a critical role in our learning recovery efforts. Nakasalalay sa inyong pamumuno sa paaralan ang tagumpay ng NLC. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Our teachers, DepEds, and non-DepEd teachers, thank you for all the good work that you do for our country. Thank you for volunteering to be part of the NLC, for spending more time with our learners, teaching them, helping them to become better. Ika nga, ang kalidad ng pagkatuto ay nakasalalay sa kalidad ng pagtuturo. Quality learning is contingent upon quality teaching. We rely on you, our dear teachers, to ensure that quality teaching and learning continue to happen in all our classrooms. Thank you for embracing collaborative expertise sessions, a job-embedded professional learning that is an important part of the NLC design. In the NLC, we have successfully embedded professional learning into the school schedule. On Mondays, teachers plan together, discuss strategies. On Fridays, teachers conduct critical reflection or evaluation of their teaching with the learners in mind. We have done this NLC practice in pilot schools too, and received positive feedback from our teachers and school leaders. Soon, collaborative expertise sessions will be part of the Matatag curriculum implementation. We are making professional learning central to the job of teachers. Evidence shows that teachers become more effective over time when they work in collegial environments. According to Hattie, a renowned researcher and educator, this is the power of collective efficacy. In the Philippines, teachers do this through the collaborative expertise sessions. Kasabay ng aking pasasalamat sa inyong lahat sa pakikiisa sa makabuluhang bayanihan para sa National Learning Camp noong nakaraang taon ay ang pakiusap na muli tayong magbuklod para sa matagumpay na NLC ngayong taon. Inaasahan ko ang kooperasyon ng mga magulang, ng mga local government officials, ng mga instructional leaders sa lahat ng antas ng pamamahala, mula sa paaralan hanggang sa schools division at regional offices. Sa atin po, nakasalalay ang tagumpay ng ating mga mag-aaral sa maikling panahon na gugulin natin sa NLC. Tulungan natin sila maging mas handa para sa pagbukas ng school year 2024 to 2025. Atong ipadayon ang pagtinabangay, pag-inambitay, alang sa kalampusan sa National Learning Camp para sa atong mga kabataan. Together, let us propel the National Learning Camp to new heights, ensuring that Filipino learners receive the quality education they deserve para sa pagtupad ng pangarap ng bawat batang Pilipino. Mga kababayan, patuloy po tayo maging matatag tungo sa pagtaguyod ng isang bansang makabata at mga batang makabansa. Ang lahat ng ginagawa natin ay para sa Diyos, sa bayan, at sa bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Syukran.